Hey guys, today's video is going to be filled with a ton of cleaning motivation for you. I am finally getting around to tackling one of the messiest rooms in the house, and that is going to be the home office. It is definitely one of those rooms where you dump everything in, shut the door, and do not look back. So today's goal is really to give it a nice declutter and clean, and then I will worry about organizing everything later on. If this is your first time here, my name is Nia, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out today's video. I post a ton of cleaning, organization, and lifestyle videos, so I would love it if you stuck around by subscribing and clicking the bell notification. So here what I'm doing is taking out the glass from these old frames that I used to have hanging up in our bedroom, and my sister is getting married next year, and we have a couple of ideas as to what we want to do with the glass. Maybe kind of display it and use a marker and put her like signature drink, or use them as table numbers and things like that. So I figured I would save these for her, so it's one less thing that we have to purchase.
And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. Gonna let the world know. You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I missed you. Give me that kiss now.
I think one of the reasons that I've been putting off cleaning this room is the fact that it is a shared space. And for me, when it comes to like clutter and things like that, I rather just throw it away. And if I need to repurchase something later, I do. But it's a lot harder when it's not your stuff. So you don't want to throw things out. So I'm trying to at least contain the clutter and the mess. But really, that's all I can possibly do.
3, 4, looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4, looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, ready for that heartbreak? Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Heartbreak, heartbreak. heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same. Now that we dancing, I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1.
Do you guys ever like had a huge goal in mind to finish a completely cluttered mess or space, and halfway through you are completely over it, you're exhausted, you're tired, you just want to lay down and stop what you're doing? That is exactly how I felt this particular day. I was in here for hours and I just wanted to give up, but I'm so glad that I pushed through, because now when I walk in here, I am not overwhelmed by the mess.
That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
For this cubby right here, I'm planning on purchasing these huge bins from IKEA. They fit perfectly into each cube. This way you don't have to see the clutter of like the folders and things like that. But IKEA is about 45 minutes away from me, so it's definitely going to be one of those trips where I need to purchase multiple things.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna fight. I got my hands on your body. So tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty.
There were a bunch of binders taking up so much space on this bookcase, but most of them were actually empty. So I threw out a majority of them, but did still leave a few in case we need to use them.
nobody, because no, ain't nobody love you like I do, like I do, like I do, like I I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do. I do, I do, I do, I do believe in lovers like me and you, yeah. You just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do, I do, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, just keep on loving all night.
Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I hope this video gave you all the cleaning motivation that you need. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and I will catch you guys in a few days in another video. Bye.